family that's rocking with the team, man. It's just another beautiful morning. What I need you to do is smash that like button, share, and subscribe. Today's video, we about to just go back down here to Opti. That's the breadwinner in the camp, and see what kind of day we got, man. What I didn't do is I've been finding that how I work out is I'll pack lunch when I go out on the truck, and when I pack lunch, I'll get signed out before lunchtime. It's like, what the heck? And then if I don't pack lunch, I end up working all day to the point where I'm hungry and I can't go get lunch. It'll be on site. So today I just brought a snack versus packing lunch. I just brought a snack so I can try to have an in-between slight day and see what happened. Hopefully it ain't too out of a day and I'm not about to get out here and be hauling nothing crazy, man. But stay rocking with your boys. Stay tuned and see what we got going on, because we about to head to the job. First and foremost, when I pull up on that dump truck, I'm going to do my PM. I check my oils, kick my tires, make sure stuff ain't loose. I do a PM throughout the whole day. Whenever I dump my load, I'm not in a rush. I'm going to check my dry shaft, check bolts, just look at stuff. Sometimes preventative maintenance, you can stop it early. You can save some money and prevent a catastrophe from happening. When it come down to this dump truck game, semi game, box truck game, any commercial vehicle game, you can kill somebody if you don't do something correct on your truck, or harm somebody, hurt yourself, or tear up something major. So it's best to just look at stuff and observe to see, catch it early and make that judgment on whether, get it fixed or go slow, take the street, or take another route. But until then, you got to do what you got to do in this game. But stay rocking with me. You about to get on this truck and head out here to this job. Yeah. Family, crew, we made it to the job, and from the looks of it, I really don't know, but we probably widening the road, and we're about to maybe be hauling both ways. I'm not actually sure, but we're about to find out here in a minute. And once we do, I'm gonna set the queso up and let y'all see what we got going on. Look like a pile of dirt. Can't really tell. I know when we start loading out. These are the type of mornings that I like, when you pull up to the job and then they're not even ready yet. They gotta set up stuff and do this and get this prepared, and so we're gonna figure out what's going on and let that kill some time. Try to get paid to sit here and meditate, figure out what route we're gonna take. And I'm searching for a driver now that's in need of oil, but I don't know where he's at. I got the oil for him. So I'm going to find him, get this oil to him. Stay tuned and see what we got going on, man, because it's about to be hopefully a simple day. It's supposed to be, the sky looking a little different. It might rain, but hey, stay rocking with us, man. Hey fam, checking in. This is definitely one of my kind of days. It's actually simple, not burning too much fuel. About to haul that little pal left right there. And as you're gonna see on the quesos, the furthest I'm going is right across the road over there. That's not far at all. Then I think the last load, I gotta haul like a load of trash. Trash is considered dirt that has bricks, debris, anything like that in it, they call it trash. So I'm probably gonna have to make the long haul on that, but for the most part, I'm just hauling these little piles of dirt and dumping them right across the street. That's what I call on site. And then what I was saying earlier is a prime example on how this works out. I packed the snack. I didn't pack lunch. So with me not packing lunch, I'm actually stuck right here. No restaurants in sight, going back and forth, and guess who's hungry? It's not lunchtime yet, but I'm hungry. But dumping on site, so that's pretty much how the game go. I try to play chess with the algorithm of how getting hours work, but it worked. I brought a snack, now I'm on site and nowhere to get anything to eat. So they're taking a brief intermission trying to figure out how they're gonna work these pipes and do all of that. I don't know if something went wrong. I'm just gonna leave my truck right there, sitting back saving fuel. I might even cut the truck off, tell you the truth. But stay rocking with your boy, man. We making it happen. Another day, another dollar. Trying to make it happen in this dump truck and get onto a bill, probably get a car, try to flip that, then get on to painting something. We just doing it all, man. We gotta tow a car down to Portsmouth a little bit later on today, but I'm gonna check y'all into that. Stay tuned. share, and subscribe. But today has been a day out on this dump truck, man. Thought it was going to be a short day. Grabbed a snack, thought that was going to turn into a medium long day. Ended up sitting here, and it's coming up on a 12-hour day. Yes, I still haven't went home yet. Oh, wow. I think my watch died. That's how long I've been out here in this truck. Let me see. And yes, the watch actually has died. So let me check the phone, see what time it is. It's coming up on 6:04. So it's about a 12-hour day. And I'm still sitting. Dumped right across the street over there and worked a 12-hour day. These are the days that days I like. Probably burnt up maybe $30 in diesel, 40 if that. Just sitting here, not even idling, truck off. Maybe dump about 7 loads. It sounds like a lot, but when you're just going across the street, that's close to like 2-3 loads, you know. But hey, man, for the most part, we've almost made it through the day. We haven't went home yet. The quesos died out. I'm gonna tune y'all in to let y'all know what we got going on, because when I do get back to the house, I think I got to end up trying to clear coat the car. Hopefully the weather stay warm enough, at least 70 degrees and up, to where I can clear coat it and I don't got to worry about it taking a bad effect. But besides all that, man, this successful day in the truck. These are the kind of days that, you know, you like. You take your time, check everything on your truck, watch what you're doing, be real patient, and, you know, walk that money down. Make the money. Don't let the money make you. But for the most part, I'm ready to go home. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm beat. I'm ready to go home and do something else. Been sitting in this truck all day. Ain't nothing like sitting on your butt getting paid. But that's what it is, man. Rock with your boy. Diesel Lake Garage. We out. Well, that's what happens when you hit a water line. You get a sudden call for scattered showers. That thing's sky high.